guys, welcome back with another video, and this is a review of music player and which is Power MP3. You guys already know about that, I think, but this is a paid application and full version is not available in free. You guys can download from Play Store just a trial version, but here you guys will get the full version with everything unlocked, actually fully unlocked version. So without further delay, let's get started. And here you guys can see the user interface of Power AMP, and here you guys can choose the library options, all songs, folders, folder hierarchy, albums, whatever you need you guys can choose just like this. And the user interface is just user friendly and really cool. So this is fully unlocked version, you guys can easily use lifetime without any problem. And here is the interface, you guys can see. Here you guys can see the visualization, just really cool. And here's another things, just really cool thing is that, and you guys can enable and disable balance, stereo, expand, mono, audio, volume, you guys without any problem. And you guys can make balance and stereo, expand, so many cool features are there. And here you guys can see, you guys can set custom preset and reverberation, whatever you need you guys can do in that particular application with the sound. And here you guys can see the full version, totally full version in free, no money. So just download and enjoy the music as you want. And so many things are there, you guys can lock the player, and just if you want to switch another song, just click right or left, whatever you need you guys can go. And you guys can just fast forward the music just clicking here, you guys can do that. Everything is just cool in that thing. And you guys can streams, so many features are there. An equalizer you guys can enable just like this, you guys can change according to your choice, you guys can change the bass, audio, whatever. If you have knowledge about that, you guys can do without any problem. And if you want to make balance and stereo expand, you can do. And mono audio is here, if you guys want to enable, then just click on that, you guys can enable this feature. And just equalizer you guys can change according to your choice, and you guys can increase the volume if you want to. And if you want to improve the voice quality, you guys can change the equalizer, no problem. So hope this is gonna be a great thing for you guys. And I am just enjoying this music player, it's really cool. Of course this is cool and free version, so without money you guys can easily use lifetime full version. So that's the video guys, hope you guys understand. And if you guys really like my work, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So thank you for watching.